Ramp Payment Automation Honest Review, Watch Before Using. In this video, we're diving deep into Ramp's payment automation system, helping you make an informed decision before using it. You'll find all the links to the product in the description, so feel free to check those out. Ramp Payment Automation is a comprehensive solution designed to streamline and optimize payment processes for businesses of all sizes. This platform is particularly beneficial for finance teams, business owners, and accountants who want to save time and reduce errors in their payment workflows. With features like automatic invoice processing, recurring payment management, and integration with major accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, Ramp offers a seamless experience that simplifies managing business expenses. The software also leverages AI to categorize transactions, offering insights into spending trends and opportunities for savings. Ramp is created with small to mid-sized businesses in mind, particularly those who have a growing need for automation but lack the resources for a full-fledged enterprise solution. It helps businesses automate invoicing, improve cash flow management, and create detailed reports, all while ensuring compliance with industry standards. By connecting directly with your bank and accounting systems, it eliminates the need for manual data entry, reducing the risk of human error and ensuring faster and more accurate financial tracking. On the security front, Ramp Payment Automation offers robust protection, ensuring your business data is encrypted and secure. The platform's user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible for users with minimal technical expertise. However, it's not perfect. Some users report a steeper learning curve for certain advanced features, so it might require some time to fully get up to speed. In conclusion, if you're a business looking to save time, reduce errors, and gain greater control over your finances, Ramp Payment Automation is a solid choice. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us create more useful content for you and helps others discover valuable insights like this.